Turn now to iTeam8 and a rare report on gun deaths from the federal government. The new numbers out today show that homicides involving guns soared 35% as the pandemic raged in Indiana and around the country. iTeam8's Richard Essex breaks down the CDC study.
The study looked at firearm-related deaths from 2019 to 2020. In 2020, we had the highest rate of firearm deaths that we've had in 25 years.
You know, we got to take some responsibility.
The CDC has not released a comprehensive firearms-related study since 1994. According to the report, there are many factors that contributed to the increase in firearm deaths. Dr. Virginia Kane of the Marion County Health Department says the study is spot on to what is happening here in Marion County.
Let's just say we think because of the COVID-19 pandemic might have exacerbated existing social and economic stressors.
The study says the stressors of the pandemic likely contributed to the rise in violence due to changes or disruptions in service and education, mental stress, social isolation, economic stressors including job loss, housing instability, and difficulty covering daily expenses. Black men saw a 39% increase in homicides, the largest of any group.
We're trying to address the systemic and racial inequities that have further exposed the realities of this crisis.
According to the study, economic inequality played a major role in firearm-related homicides. Counties with the highest poverty level had firearm homicide rates 4.5 times as high and firearm suicide rates 1.3 times as high as counties with higher income levels. In 2020, Indianapolis set a record number for homicides, only to break it again in 2021.
It's got to be a public health emergency for us because as far as I'm concerned, one youth who dies is too many. And that's my perception. One youth unnecessarily that dies, as far as I'm concerned, is a crisis.
Dr. Kane says the CDC numbers are a mere reflection of what is happening here in Marion County, but she says we are making some improvements.
I think we're seeing our numbers definitely go down. I think we're turning that corner.
However, she cautions the continued stress of inflation, the ongoing pandemic, continue to contribute to violence here in Indianapolis. In Indianapolis, Richard Essex, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.